Welcome to Virtual Assembly by Rokadians. Respected Chairman, CEO, Principal, Headmasters, teachers, and fellow Rokadians, I am Alina Sika of Grade 2, wishing you all a cheerful morning. Warm welcome to our virtual assembly. Prayer purify our mind and soul. Start our day with positive attitude and always mind to the world. Let's begin our day with this beautiful prayer song by our grade 2 student Gulshan.
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभं कौन कहता है भगवान आते नहीं कौन कहता है भगवान आते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभं कौन कहता है भगवान खाते नहीं कौन कहता है भगवान खाते नहीं बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं धन्यवाद
Very good, very nice.
It's wonderful, Gunjan. Thank you. Here we have our grade 2 students for presenting their multidisciplinary products. Festivals. Now I request Spurti to present her multidisciplinary project.
National festivals. Gandhi Jayanti is a national festival celebrated on 2nd October. Republic Day is a national festival celebrated on 26th January. Independence Day is a national festival celebrated on 15th August. Religious festivals. Diwali is a religious festival celebrated in the month of November. Eid is a religious festival celebrated in the month of May. Christmas is a religious festival celebrated in the month of December. Harvest festivals. Bihu is a harvest festival celebrated in the month of January. Lodi is a harvest festival celebrated in the month of January. Pongal is a harvest festival celebrated in the month of January. Krishna Janmashtami is celebrated as the birth of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna's father is Vasudeva. Lord Krishna's mother is Devaki. Lord Krishna likes eating butter and curd. ताते घर घर आज दिवाली फिर खुशियों के दीप जला दीपावली दीपों का त्योहार आओ मिलकर दीप जलाए, दीपावली मुबारक।
That was a wonderful presentation, Spurti. Now I request Arav to present his product.
Festivals. National festivals. Independence Day is celebrated on on 26th January. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is national festival celebrated on 2nd October. Religious festival. Diwali is a religious festival celebrated in the month of November. Eid is a religious festival celebrated in the month of May. Christmas. Christmas is a religious festival celebrated in the month of December. Harvest festivals. Sankranti is a harvest festival celebrated in the month of January. Onam is a harvest festival celebrated in the month of August. Ugadi is a harvest festival celebrated in the month of March. Maths. Ascending order and descending order. Ascending order is small to big. 2 is the smaller number. Descending order. Descending order means big to small. 26 is bigger number. Ganesh Chaturthi. This is a important festival for Hindus. This is celebrated as birthday of Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha is son of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. People pray to Lord Ganesha for wisdom and prosperity. Hindi. मेरा नाम आरव है। मैं आपको श्री कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी पर एक कविता सुनाऊंगा। मक्खन चोर नंद किशोर, बांधी जिसने प्रीत की डोर। हरे कृष्ण हरे मुरारी, बूझ जिसने दुनिया सारी। आवो उनके अब गुण गाए, सब मिलके जय श्री कृष्ण बनाइए। जय श्री कृष्ण। This is my picture of Krishna Janmashtami. Thank you all.
Excellent, Arav.
Thank you, Arav. It was an awesome presentation. Now I request our principal ma'am to speak a few words.
Thank you, Elena. It has been a wonderful
Principal
presentation.
Mrs. Lalita ma'am.
Thank you, Elena. Good morning to everybody, our respected chairman, our CEO, all our teachers, parents and students. I think it has been a wonderful presentation by grade 2 students. I really admire the confidence with which they have spoken and they have presented their multidisciplinary project in a wonderful way. Children, we have something very exciting. Of course, this is the examination week. However, a few things are there which we will be unfolding right now. The first and foremost is that our newsletter will be released today, and a little later, after I speak to you, we will be releasing our newsletter. The other thing is there will be, the science fair are something that we all look forward to. There'll be wonderful books. Books are our friends, and I know with the Read Along app that you have got, you all are vying with each other to read more, to get more knowledge, and I'm so happy about it. And I want more and more of you to start working on your reading abilities. Children, we have a virtual book fair by Scholastic, which will be sent to you today and which will be on from tomorrow. You can visit. Now, like you visit a book fair and you see books. Now you have book counselors who will be guiding you through the virtual book fair, and you can get to see the different types of books for different genres. I'm sure you'll enjoy it a lot. And then children, tomorrow we have also organized an orientation for grade 9 and 10. Now grade 9 and 10 have to gear themselves up for the upcoming board exams. So they have to work very hard for that. How to prepare for your board exams and what are the various things that are essential for you all to do will be given in an orientation program tomorrow. So all grade 9, and we have an outside resource person coming in to give the same to you. And I want all the grade 9 and 10 students and their parents to attend this without fail. And children, I know many of you have wonderful talents. You can sing, you can dance, you can do, wonderful science experiments and so on. Please keep forwarding the same to us, to your class teachers. Whatever we find of good quality, we will ensure that it will get uploaded in our YouTube channel, and we will also ensure that it gets into the Facebook page of Rockwoods International. Thank you very much, children, and you have all of you have a wonderful weekend tomorrow. And don't forget the two important ones. One is the science fair, the book fair, and two is your orientation. And also don't forget to work in a systematic manner for your upcoming Term 1 examination. Thank you.
Ma'am, Pravalika need to release newsletter.
Yes, I now request our editor-in-chief for the newsletter, Ms. Pravalika, and the students who have been a wonderful support. I request Pravalika ma'am, please this newsletter because she is the one who worked very hard along with the student editors in bringing this about. Congratulations, Pravalika ma'am and all the students for making this effort and bringing out the first newsletter. Everything has been conceived by them, right from the name to how the outlay should be and so on. So parents, you can also give your suggestions on how the newsletter is, and don't stop contributing, continue contributing, because more newsletters will be coming up in the months to come. Thank you.
Congratulations, Pravalika. Well done.
Thank you.
you, ma'am.
Before-
Thank you, sir. Good morning to everyone. I'm so privileged to be an active part for our newsletter, and I still remember the day when we were trying to uh, decide the name for our newsletter, and fortunately, all the student council had voted for the name that I have suggested for our newsletter. I have a small request. Diana ma'am, can you please enable me to share the screen?
And you are the co-host. You can do that.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. As I told you, I am so privileged to be an active part of our Rockwoods Bits and Bytes. This is a valuable publication, which is we have curated and accumulated all the works done by our students. Thank you for the parents, thank you for the teachers, thank you for the children, and all of your contribution for sending your valuable things, that is like art, your write-ups, your articles, your suggestions and all. And it was like, I would also like to thank Alvin Paul, our torch bearer, that is head boy of our school, and deputy head boy Fani Chandra, for supporting me to come up with the good ideas. And this is what we have implemented. It consumed a lot of effort, but end of the day, it is giving us an immense pleasure being an active part for this. I thank all the parents for supporting your children to share their art to our art gallery, to share their articles to our articles gallery, to share their write-ups. And also I thank teachers for sharing your valuable write-ups for our newsletter. And I also wish, as this is just the beginning, and I also wish all of you to continue contributing for our newsletter. I would like to conclude the presentation of newsletter, as this is not the end. It is not even the beginning of the end, but it is perhaps the end of the beginning. Wait for many more bits and bytes from Rockwoodians. And I also would like to thank for the valuable support by our principal ma'am and the management team, and also the Rockwood School Council. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, team. Well done. I'm really delighted to look at Rockwood's Bits and Bytes. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. And sir, thank you so much, ma'am, for your newsletter. Now I request you.
Wait 1 minute. Sir has to speak. Diana ma'am,
Speak
please.
for a minute.
Yes.
I just would like to congratulate grade 2 students. In fact, I'm really delighted by looking at grade 2 students' presentation, language, and also their confidence. I'm really happy. Today, I'd like to request principal to give good certificate of appreciation and also nice gift to them. Maybe you can give dairy milk still chocolates all the students who ever participated in today's assembly.
Yes, sir. Yes, it will be done.
Thank you, children. Well done. Carry on, ma'am. We are running short of time.
Now I request all of you to stand in your respective places for national service.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you all. Now I request all to join your respective classes and have a wonderful Friday.